Hello guys and gals, welcome to one of how to smartphones tutorial videos on the Samsung Galaxy Note 8. If you guys found this video helpful, be sure to like the video, give it a thumbs up, and if you guys like to see other helpful tips and tricks, go ahead and check out that playlist in the description below. So in this video, I'll be showing you guys how to transfer photos from your device to an SD card. The SD card goes up here in the top. If you guys like to see how to install that properly, I will have a link in the description below for that as well. So after you have your SD card installed, what you're going to want to do is we're going to go ahead and start off by being on our home screen. And from our home screen, I'm just going to go ahead and slide up, and there is a Samsung app. It's right up there at the top. So once you have located that, we're just going to go ahead and select Samsung. And then from Samsung, we will be looking for My Files. It's right up here in the top right. So go ahead and select that. And here we have a bunch of different options, as you guys could see. And right down here, we can see that there's an SD card installed, and it's popping up showing properly. So if you do not have that and you have your SD card installed, you might want to power off your device and turn it back on just to possibly get it to upload or to show up. If it's not showing up after you've done that, you might not have it formatted correctly, the SD card. So let's say you do have it. It does pop up like it does on mine. We're going to go up here. There's going to be several different options. We have images, audio, videos, documents, downloads, things like that. We're going to want to start off by going into images, and from there we're going to be selecting the images from your device. So from images, I have camera. I got 3 photos. I just took these 3 photos. There are no other photos or anything on the device. There are little SD cards showing on the photos that are from your SD card. So I'm gonna go ahead and select camera. The camera doesn't have any of them that are there. So in order to transfer these photos to the SD card, up at the top, we're gonna hit the little options button and hit edit. Once you are here, you can select just a couple photos. If you want to select them all, there's a select all option up there at the top right as well. Once you have what you want selected, what you're going to want to do is to hit that options button again, and it does give you options to move or to copy. So what move is going to do is like Microsoft Word's cut and paste. And what copy is going to do is going to take a copy of the photos and then copy them from your device to your SD card, and you will have 2 copies of that photo. So I strongly recommend doing copy. You could take them, transfer them to your SD card, pull it out at that time, check it on another device, on a laptop, whatever else, different device, to see if the photos did copy over. And then at that point, once you can, I guess, say that yes, they did transfer over, you can delete them off your device. So that's the difference between move and copy. So I'm just going to go ahead and select copy. And then it does give you an option of where to move them to. You can go to internal storage, SD card, the drive, and then the Google Drive. What I'm going to do is just go to the SD card because that's where I'm moving them to. So I'm going to select that. And here there's just a bunch of different photos, a bunch of different things on your SD card, different files you can move them to. Where I'm going to move mine is I'm just going to go ahead and move them over into pictures. And then once again, there's just a bunch of different things on the pictures tab. I'm just going to go ahead and select camera. And then once you have it set, I'm going to select done, and it transfers them over. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys that they did transfer over by going into my gallery. And then I'm going to go over to my camera, not my camera, to pictures right up here at the top. And as you guys can see, it did double over. So there is a bunch of the photos that I had. The 1, 2, 3 photos that I sent over, they are duplicated. They are there. So you can do that the same way for videos. So I'm just going to go ahead and slide up, go into Samsung. From Samsung, My Files, and we have to come back here to your videos. 2 videos right here. So go ahead, select that. Videos, the 2 on the camera, select that. Once again, options, edit, select or select all. I'm going to select all. I'm just going to go ahead and move these over. And once again, SD card. And it's going to ask you where you want to move them. Once again, we go into pics. And then from here, camera, downloads, Snapchat, bunch of different things. Once again, I'm just going to drop them off in camera, and I'm going to select done. It's going to take a little while to move them over, and then that is how to move them. I don't want these moved, so I'm just going to go ahead and hit cancel. So that is how to move and transfer your photos and your videos from your Galaxy Note 8 over to an SD memory card. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If you guys did, once again, give me a thumbs up. And if you guys have any comments, questions, or concerns, drop them in the comment section below. That's all I got for you in this one. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.